Hi friends, this is Chitra. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing good. Today in this video, we are going to see what is swing trading and how to do the swing trading. So basically, what is swing trading and how does it work? So what are the best market conditions for swing trading? So we should know that in order to enter into the swing trading. And it is not like a day trading. It is not like the intraday trading. Okay, swing trading, we are going to hold the positions for long time. Swing trading secrets for consistent profits. So if you enter into the swing trading, you should be aware of the stop loss and the target and how to get the consistent profit. That is how to exit your trade before the market turns against you. Best time to enter a swing trade that nobody tells you, that we are going to see now. What are swing trading secrets? So if you are entering into the swing trading, we have to wait for a couple of days up to several months in order to profit from the anticipated price move. Swing trading exposes a trader to overnight and weekend risk, because if you are taking a trade and we have to keep that position overnight, so that is a risk involved in the swing trading, where the price could gap and open the following session to a substantially different price. Chances are more if the open gaps up or gaps down the next day. Swing traders can take profits utilizing an established risk-reward ratio based on a stop loss and profit target. They can take profits or losses based on a technical indicator or price action movements. Which is more profitable, day trading or swing trading? On the other hand, swing traders has a fewer potential but digs out larger profit from the market. It means longer the position is open, the more likely the market will move from its opening price. It is said that if the market moves in the direction that the trader has predicted, they will make a significant profit, and if not, they will make a loss. The verdict on which is more profitable depends on several major factors such as the skill and experience of a trader, the volatility of the market at any particular moment, time dedicated towards the market by a trader, and the major events that will make the market down. So as a part of the swing trading, we will see what are the indicators we are going to use. Go to indicator, and first indicator we required here is super trend. Okay, so add the super trend, and the second indicator we required here is pivot point standard. Okay, so in the super trend we are not going to change anything in the settings, keep it as default settings. Okay, and here in the pivot point standard, when you go to the input, the type, the default settings will be traditional, so we are going to change that to Fibonacci, and we are checking all the pivot points at S1 and SR1, that is the support and resistance levels. Now click on OK. Now our indicators are ready. So when we will enter into the trade, so I will explain that. So if the price is above R1, in that case we will look for an buy trade, that is we will look for long. Okay, for the target of R2 and target of R3, and the stop loss will be the low of the R1 candle. Which candle gave a close above R1, the low of the candle will be the stop loss for that particular trade. So always when you enter into the trade, you have to always look for a small candle. Okay, so your stop loss also will be very small. So when you see here, the super trend is in red, so we will not enter into the long trade. We always wait for the green candle to close above the R1, and the price should be above the pivot point, and super trend also should be green. Okay, so here we can see the price is above the pivot point, but the super trend is in green. So we are waiting for the right opportunity to enter into the long trade. When you see this particular green candle, that is on 3rd Jan, gave a close above the pivot point. So when we will enter into the trade, we will enter into the trade if the price is above R1. So when you see the next day, this green candle is not able to give a close above the R1. So we are waiting for to enter into the long trade. But when you see this green candle gave a close above R1, and also it touched the target on the same day. So we will avoid taking trade in this particular green candle, even though it achieved our target, that is the R3. Okay. And when you see here, this green candle, this is a spinning top candle. This green candle didn't give a close above R1. Okay, so in this types of candle, don't take the trade. Avoid taking trade in this particular candle. The body should give a close above R1 in that particular green candle, you can always enter into the trade for the target of R2 and R3. And when you see, the gap between the R2 and R3 is very small. Okay. And when you see here, this is the green candle which gave close above R1, and when you see after the super trend, here it is green and after that it changed to red, because the trend changed from here and price fall down, and from there price took a uptrend. And when you see here, the price is above R1 and super trend also green, so you can enter for the long trade in this particular R1, and the stop loss will be the low of this green candle. The stop loss will be the low of the green candle. So when you see here, this green candle is the confirmation candle, and when you enter into the trade, the target will be the R2 and the stop loss will be the low of this green candle. So the next day we will be entering into the long trade if the price is above the high of the green candle. If the price is able to cross the high of the green candle, we will be entering into the long trade. Okay, for the target of R2. And our target got achieved here, okay, in this particular green candle, that is 12th April. So we got a confirmation on 1st April. So we can see our target got achieved in how many days. So we are entering long here. Okay, so our target got achieved in 5 days. Okay, now this is the HDFC Bank chart. So now I will tell you where to enter into the trade. So the price, if the price is above the green line, then we will be looking for buy trade, that is for the long trade. And if the price is below the red line, then it is a sell trade. Okay, so here when we can see the price is above the green line, and here we can see that the price is above the R1 line. So here we will be looking for enter into the buy trade. Okay, here also we got the confirmation, one green candle gave a close above R1. Okay, so from here the HDFC Bank went to R3. Okay, so that is the target. So if you enter here, that is at 1503, HDFC Bank made a high of 1637. So the price was still in the uptrend. Here we can see one more trade for the HDFC Bank, that is at the month of August. Okay, here also we can see the price is trading above the green line, and you can see here the price is at pivot point, and from here the HDFC Bank entered into the bullish zone, and after that we got nice up move for that particular month, that is at the July, and from here the price was moving continuously till August. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so from here the HDFC Bank gave nice up move. And also when you see here, this April month HDFC Bank entered into the bullish zone and gave a close above R1, and after that made a high of, that is it touched the R3. Okay, so when it is crossing above R1, and the candle should be small, if the candle is big, ignore it, because no chances are there to reverse from the position, revert from the R1. So here if the candle is small, you can enter into the trade, but here in this case HDFC Bank gave the target from R1 to R3. Now we can see one example from the Bajaj Finance. Okay, here we can see that the price gave close above R1 on 18th July. So we'll be looking for entering into the long trade. So we should not enter into the long trade immediately. Always wait for the next day in order to enter into the long trade. So we can see that above this green candle, one can enter into the long trade, and the target is R2. Okay, so on 21st July our target got achieved, and the R3 is the next target. That target also achieved on 28th July, that is 28th July market opened gap up, and we got our target also on the 28th July. Okay, so this is how we have to enter into the long trade. So price should be above the super trend, that is above the green line. Okay, and if the price is crossing R1, we can enter into the long trade. So this P is the pivot point. Okay, so if the price is above the pivot point and price is above R1, we can enter into the long trade. Telegram channel. Okay, so here this is 26th April morning, like 9:15 I have updated, like Bank Nifty, if it breaks 42,552, the target will be 42,475. Second target is 42,451, and if Nifty can take support at 17,738, and Bank Nifty also looking weak, and on the same day our target got achieved in Nifty and in Bank Nifty. This is my Telegram channel, that is Trader Chitra. So those who are want to join my Telegram channel, they can log in, and this is a free channel. Here I will be posting the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for tomorrow. That is daily I will be posting the support and resistance for the next day. So you can use this chart and you can trade. And here also I will share the levels like Bank Nifty and Nifty levels, major resistance and the major support. Also I will be sharing on everyday analysis. Here I will be sharing my live analysis. So those who are interested can join my Telegram channel. Thank you. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.